is revolutionizing the availability of this beloved fruit, making it more accessible and abundant than ever before. Depending on the height of the tree, mangoes can be harvested in two ways. Those that can be reached are typically cut by hand without using other tools. This gentle method ensures that both the mangoes and the trees remain undamaged. It also allows farmers to selectively pick only the ripe mangoes, leaving others to mature further on the tree. For mangoes that are too high, nets with long sticks attached are used to collect them. After harvesting, the mangoes are gathered, arranged in baskets, and taken to an inspection area. Here, the precise trimming of any remaining small stems from the mangoes is carried out. The mangoes are then transported to the facility for processing and market preparation in various forms. First, the mangoes are placed on the roller bar sorting machine. The roller bars, driven by horizontally moving chains, gently push the mangoes forward while rotating them. This sorting process is important for inspecting and removing any unripe or diseased mangoes, ensuring the quality of the fruit. The mangoes are then moved into the fruit washing machine, where they are rinsed by tumbling water from the high-pressure pump. After that, the processed raw mangoes are plume-coated, packed, and boxed for the market. Mango fruits can also be processed and delivered as juice. At the facility, the mangoes are placed on the sorter machine. After passing inspection, the good ones are directed into the high-pressure fruit washing machine for proper rinsing. Preheating is done in hot water for 3-5 minutes to remove an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase. If this enzyme is not removed, it can cause discoloration of the fruits and affect the flavor of the mango juice. The next step is the peeling and pulping process. This process involves the use of a sophisticated piece of equipment known as the mango pulper. This machine is specifically designed to handle multiple tasks, seamlessly integrating the functions of peeling, destoning, and pulping the mangoes. Its advanced design and high efficiency make it an indispensable tool in the production line. The mango pulper stands out for its impressive pulp recovery rate, which can reach up to 99.5%. This exceptional efficiency ensures that nearly all the mango pulp is extracted, significantly minimizing waste. The reduced pulp loss not only improves overall productivity, but also enhances the economic viability of the mango juice production process. The separated stone, peel, and pulp all come out of the machine in separate ways. The pulping process can also be done without using the pulper machine, though the loss of mango pulp is greater later and requires more operating personnel. Here, trained staff use specially designed knives with adjustable blades to peel the mangoes. They adjust the blade thickness based on the fruit shape to minimize pulp loss. After peeling the mangoes, they separate the mango pulp from the hard, stony part using mango slicers. Once the mangoes are peeled and pulped, the pulp is sliced into pieces and transferred to the bubble washing machine, which efficiently mixes detergent with a small amount of water, generating bubbles with air pressure to further clean the mangoes and remove fine debris, such as hair. The washed mango pulp is then elevated. This allows the mangoes to drain naturally. Subsequently, the mango pulp moves to specialized machines for further processing, including degassing. In this stage, a vacuum degasser removes some of the oxygen content from the pulp to prevent oxidation, which could corrode the juice containers. This process helps extend the shelf life of the mango juice. The next step is homogenization. Here, the sliced mango pulps are initially crushed manually before being processed through a homogenizer to reduce large particles to a smaller size. Following homogenization is the filling process. Bottles are prepared in batches. As the bottles reach the filling valves, they move in a circular motion, filling under the force of gravity. Once the juice reaches the specified level, the bottles are lowered and detached from the valves. The bottles are moved to the capping machine, where a device comprises two main components: the rotation stopper, which holds the bottle's neck steady to prevent spinning, and the cap screwer, which takes care of grabbing, covering, and tightening the caps. Then the filled bottles are finally transferred to the labeling machine. Mangoes can also be processed as frozen mango chunks. To maintain the mango's color, flavor, and nutritional value, they pass through a brief blanching process. This step involves briefly exposing the fruit to hot water or steam, which halts enzyme activity and slows down deterioration. As a result, blanching ensures the frozen mangoes retain their vibrant hue and delectable taste. Frozen mango preserves perishable mangoes for an extended period, maintaining their original quality, flavor, and color to the greatest extent. The mangoes are then diced into small pieces, which are then inspected by skilled workers. Another team adjusts the chunks that are not accurately diced. The diced mangoes are then transported by a belt and vibratory shaker into the freezer via a heated, vibrating chute. At this stage, the diced mangoes are frozen. A fluidized monomer quick freezing machine ensures the mango pieces on the mesh belt are evenly spread. Under the action of strong cold air from bottom to top, the mango pieces exhibit a fluidized movement and are rapidly frozen. Due to the strong interaction between the cold airflow and the mango pieces, heat transfer occurs quickly within the mango layer, allowing the pieces to quickly complete the stages of cooling, surface freezing, and deep freezing. This achieves the goal of rapid freezing for the food monomers. The frozen mango chunks are then transferred to large blue plastic bags. The mangoes undergo a final trimming process to ensure each piece is accurately sized. Skilled workers carefully inspect and weigh the frozen mango chunks while they are contained within cardboard. Finally, they are packed into durable white plastic bags, ensuring quality and freshness are maintained. Late summer and early fall are the prime seasons for grape harvesting, as optimal ripening occurs and cooler temperatures help regulate fermentation. Pruning shears or clippers are used to delicately harvest clusters without causing harm to the vine or adjacent grapes. Each worker is equipped with their own plastic cart, where they carefully place the harvested clusters to ensure the preservation of both the physical integrity and biochemical characteristics of the grapes. Once the harvesting is done, the grapes are transferred into totes and promptly loaded onto trucks for immediate delivery to the packing facility, typically situated centrally for efficient access to all grape blocks. Pre-cooling is the rapid removal of field heat from the grapes to reach their ideal storage temperature. The main goal is to minimize water loss driven by the evaporative capacity of the ambient air, thus preserving the quality of the grapes effectively. On arrival at the facility, the grape's temperature is gradually lowered in stages to facilitate natural cooling. Rapid exposure to excessively cold temperatures immediately after harvesting could adversely affect fruit conditions. Accordingly, the grapes are unloaded into a cooling tunnel for a brief exposure to lower the temperature. Then they pass on the grape belt elevator conveyor belt, which is equipped with a wide drainage hopper for discharging the grapes into the containers. Once the grapes are pre-cooled, they are transported to the processing area for quality inspection to ensure only the finest grapes proceed further. Any signs of physical defects, such as sunburn or cracks, are diligently removed from the bunch. Following this, some of the grapes are carefully packed using perforated plastic sheets, which allow airflow and help maintain the grape's integrity. Meanwhile, the others are weighed and packed into culm shells, ensuring each package meets stringent quality standards before distribution. Multiple packed bundles are then placed into cardboard boxes, which are covered with a sulfur dioxide pad. This pad acts as a fungicide, ensuring the grapes maintain their freshness throughout storage and transport. Throughout the whole process, responsible quality controls ensure the quality, safety, and compliance of the grapes. The card boxes containing the grapes are finally labeled and transferred to the cold storage room to extend their half-life and maintain quality. The recommended storage temperatures for table grapes typically range between 0 and 2 degrees Celsius, with an ideal relative humidity level of approximately 95%. Cold storage facilities can effectively preserve grapes for a period spanning from 2 to 7 months. As shipping is needed, the packed grapes are carefully retrieved from the storage room and removed from their individual cardboard boxes in preparation for transportation. This process ensures that the grapes maintain their quality and freshness throughout the logistical chain until they reach their destination. High-speed packaging machines effectively seal the calm shells using perforated plastic sheets. This will not only ensure extended shelf life, but also maintain the freshness and quality of the contents within. Once the sealing process is completed, labels are applied atop the plastic sheets using both automated labeling machines for efficiency and manual application for precision. Subsequently, the packaged column shells are systematically arranged on sturdy corrugated cardboard for orderly storage and ease of transportation. Upon the arrival of the transporting trucks at the facility, the packages are meticulously loaded onto the trucks. Maintaining the cold chain during transportation is essential for preserving freshness. The delivery trucks undergo thorough checks to ensure accurate cold temperatures before heading to the final customers. Temperature recorders are installed and closely monitored to swiftly identify any deviations or interruptions in the cold chain. Finally, the table grapes are delivered to grocery stores for consumers.